right, the last thing that I want to share is just something fun. It's not a game. It's not professional development. It's something fun that you can try with your students. It's called Pixton. And earlier this fall, I created a Bitmoji senior class picture. So the students created their Bitmoji, the seniors created their Bitmoji, sent it to me, and then I created a picture, a class picture based on their Bitmojis. But what Pixton is it's a comic book maker, but it's also a class picture maker. So if you click on Pixton, it will take you to their website, and you can see here everyone can make comics. So there's educators, students, parents, business. So I'm just going to go to the educators part, and I'm going to log in. So I've gone through all the steps, and the last step that I have is to get my classroom ready. So what you can see here is you have different packs, and it's free. If you want to start to pay more and get more packs, you certainly can. So as I create comics, I've got those. So if I go into this comic book maker, I've got different backgrounds I can add, and I can add panels and characters and those sorts of things. But that's not the coolest part of this. What I really want to show is the class picture. So I'm going to go into my new classroom, and I'm going to add my class, and let's just, I don't know, click 1, computers and tech. You can choose which one you want to do. I'm going to choose use their Google ID. And this is what's going to happen. Students are going to log into the class using their Google ID, and then they are going to create their avatar. And then in your class, you are going to have create class picture, and it's going to generate a class picture based on how the students have created their avatar. And you can change the background, so you're given some free backgrounds with the free edition of Pixton, and then you can generate, maybe you want a Western one, maybe you want a Christmas one, maybe you want a fall picture. Then you get a class picture, and you can print that off, share it with your students, use it as a header in Google Classroom, post it to your Google Classroom, let the students share it and download it. Maybe they want to add it to their wallpaper on their Chromebook or on their iPad. But this is awesome. So you can go in here and you can make my avatar. So here you go. Here's my class picture so far. I'll choose next step. And there you go. So one of your choices at the top is you can see your students' comics, and you can see your class photo. So as student join link is here, I can copy this and I can send it to Google Classroom. I can send it to Seesaw or any other learning management system and post it there. And then you're all set. As your students start to populate, your class photo will start to populate as well, and then you can choose how you want to share it out. So here you go. You can do a winter theme. You can do a Christmas theme. Maybe we want to be at the beach. So a lot of different choices for you with your class photo. And I really wanted to share out Pixton because Pixton is, I think, really cool for creating fun, quick class photos, especially in this time of distance learning for a lot of teachers and students. So those are all of the resources that I have here in the newsletter this week. I hope that you find one or two of them that are going to be beneficial for you, or helpful or fun, or things that maybe you just kind of put in your back pocket that you want to try out for later on in the school year.